The lightning of the lamp signifies the triumph over the right over darkness and knowledge over ignorance. To grace this sacred moment, may I invite our Honorable Chief Guest, our Kerala Governor, Dr. Rajendra Arlekar, sir, for the lamp lighting ceremony. With all the dignitaries, those who are present on the dais. Now with that, we have a prayer.
जगदीश वास करो दीनों के दिल में, ईश्वर स्मृति दो, विद्यादान दो, मानव मन में परिशुद्धि देना, सत्यं शिवं नव चैतन्य देना, सुंदर भावन मन में जगा दो, दीन दयानिध सबको डावो, प्रेम रूप सुंदर धारा बहावो, मानव मन में ज्योति जगावो। जगदीश वास करो दीनों के दिल में, ईश्वर स्मृति दो, विद्यादान दो, मानव मन में परिशुद्धि देना, सत्यं शिवं नव चैतन्य देना।
Thank you, everyone. Kerala Governor Sri Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar sir ne Chief Guest Address nu vendi kshanikkunnu. Sir, please.
मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मंच पर जिनके साथ बैठने का मुझे अवसर मिला, सौभाग्य मिला है, ऐसे श्री महामंडलेश्वर स्वामी आनंदवन भारती जी, ब्रह्मर्षि मोहन जी, सभी उपस्थित प्रिय सहोदरी सहोदरन मारे नमस्कारम। In fact, I wanted to speak in Malayalam because it is my language. I am the governor of this state, so automatically it becomes my language. Otherwise also it is my language. Every language in our country, in our Bharat, is my language. So, but I could not speak. आप सबकी मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ कि मलयालम में भाषण नहीं कर सकता। आज मेरा सौभाग्य है, I am really very much blessed to be here with all these Swamiji, Punyatmas, Mahatmas, because they have graced this function and they have taught us what give us when we come together. Today's function, that is Mahamagha Utsava, Mahamagha festival, is unique by itself. We all are reminded of the Kumbh Mela which are held in our north part of the country. And we are having it very own Kumbh Mela here. हमारा अपना कुंभ मेला यहाँ केरल में हो रहा है, इसकी मुझे बहुत बहुत खुशी है। आप सबको मैं बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूँ। More than that, I feel most blessed. मेरा ये परम सौभाग्य है कि आज के इस कार्यक्रम के समय at the hands of mine ध्वजारोहणम was done. That is really the परम सौभाग्य of mine. मुझ जैसा, I am a very small person who doesn't understand what is right and wrong, and God has given me this opportunity to come here and put high, very high, the flag of Dharma Dhwaja. And that Dharma Dhwaja is really the symbol of our Sanatana Parampara. That is the greatness of our Parampara. Our Sanatana Dharma, or anybody can call it Hindu Parampara. This particular Parampara of having Mela, Kumbh Mela or Mahamagha Utsava is not new to us. It was being followed in early years. But for some reasons, because of the colonial rule here, it was stopped 250 years back. Now with all your support and all the blessings of all Pujaniya Vyakti here, Pujaniya persons here, this is being started from today here again. What a great moment for all of us. Sanatana, we are doing nothing new. Whatever we are doing here is we are just following the parampara. Sanatana parampara, we do not know the adi of it and we do not know anta of it. So it is a ananta parampara. So this Sanatana parampara, it is called because of this only Sanatana. Because we don't know कहाँ से शुरू हुई और कहाँ जाने वाला है, कहाँ अंत है. There is no adi, there is no anta to this. And we all are very proud to belong to such a great parampara. We all are very proud. And we must be proud always. This parampara of Mahamagha should be continuous years together, continuously. Starting this parampara again is not against anybody. Our parampara itself tells us that we are against nobody. We have always thought that everybody is our. We have never gone out of our country to conquer any country. We have never gone there. We have gone there to win the hearts of the people in those country. Winning the heart, not winning the land. You must have heard one poem by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He says in his poem, कोई बतलावे काबुल में जाकर कितने मस्जिद तोड़े. We have gone to Kabul, we have gone to Upaganistan, we have gone to other countries, but how many churches or how many masjids we have destroyed? We have destroyed nothing. भूभाग नहीं, शत शत हृदय जितने का निश्चय. We have gone there to win the hearts of the people. And that is why Atal Bihari Vajpayee says in his poem, Raga Raga Hindu, Paga Paga Hindu, Jaga Jaga Hindu, Mera Parichay. Who am I? I am Hindu because of this. I am Sanatani because of this. This great parampara, great tradition of our parampara of Sanatana has to be revived again and again. Reviving not against anybody. Let anybody not fear of us. We have always brought them together. Anybody, those who have come to this country, we have assimilated them in ourselves. उनको हमने हम में समाहित करके लिया है. That is the greatness of our thoughts. That is the greatness of our land, and particularly our Keralam, that has always given big principles, high level of principles, sacred thoughts to a whole country, not only to Kerala. Whole country is watching towards us. Right from Adi Shankaracharya to Sri Narayan Guru, we have always taught others how to behave we have taught others dharma, how to behave with others, how to have good relation with others. And that dharma is not a religion. Dharma is not our puja path, how we do arati, how we do karpura arati, how we chant all those things at our puja ghar. Dharma is righteousness. Whatever good in the society is called dharma. And that dharma parampara, we are proud of it. That dharma parampara has been given to whole country, whole humanity by the people of Kerala, by the people of Keralam, by the saints in this Kerala. We are really proud of that. I was in Bihar as the governor. When I went there is a place called Mahishi in Bihar. And in that Mahishi, I asked them कि महिषी का महत्व क्या है. I was told to go to that place. आप सबको आश्चर्य होगा कि उस महिषी में हमारे आद्य शंकराचार्य वहां गए थे. बिहार में महिषी में छोटे से गांव में आदि शंकराचार्य और हमारे उस समय जो उनका शास्त्रार्थ हुआ था, किनके बीच हुआ था शास्त्रार्थ? मंडन मिश्र के साथ जो शास्त्रार्थ हुआ, उस शास्त्रार्थ के दरमियान जो शास्त्रार्थ हुआ, that शास्त्रार्थ happened in Mahishi. Adi Shankaracharya coming from Keralam, going to Bihar, having a Shastrarth with Mandan Mishra, his wife Bharati sitting there as the judge. What a faith we have in everybody. Even if she is the wife of Mandan Mishra, Adi Shankaracharya had Purna Vishwas in that Mataji. Yes, she can be good judge. This is what we have taught to others. This is the greatness of my Kerala. And this greatness is always coming to us. Today's program is again that teaching us to all of us. आज का ये कार्यक्रम जो है वो सबको सिखाता है कि केरल ने जो परंपरा यहाँ निरंतर जतन करके रखी है, and that parampara, that tradition is being revived again and again. We will tell the whole world that this is Keralam, which will give everything to the humanity. आज का ये कार्यक्रम इसी का एक उदाहरण है. We are very proud that this particular मंदिर, I was told there are many मंदिर here. भगवान विष्णु भी है, भगवान शिव भी है, पार्वती भी है, सबरीमला के अपने डेटी भी है, सब कुछ यहाँ है. एंड दैट टू एट दिस रिवर. इस नदी को क्या कहते हैं हम? नीला तो आज कहते हैं। भारतम जैसे नाम इसको मिला है, कितना पुराना नाम है। जब से इस देश को हम भारत कहते हैं, उस समय से इस नदी का नाम पेरो क्या भारतपुरा कहते हैं। कितना हमारा, कितनी बड़ी परंपरा है, कितनी सोच बड़ी है हमारी, और इस सभी परंपरा के हम प्रतिनिधि है। वी आर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ ग्रेट थॉट्स एंड आवर परंपरा। वी ऑल आर प्राउड ऑफ दिस। वी शुड नेवर लुक बिहाइंड, वी शुड नेवर फील ashamed. If anybody says, yes, we are here to tell you what is our parampara, that is what we require today. All other people are there waiting to just attack us, invade us, telling us that your parampara is obsolete, वो पुराना हो गया है, अभी छोड़ दो, nothing doing. This is my great parampara and I will follow it. That is to be told to everybody. सब लोग इसके लिए प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि हमारी कल्चर, हमारा संस्कृति, हमारा सब नष्ट होना चाहिए। बट नो, as long as last person of this Sanatan Parampara follower is there, nobody will be able to destroy this culture. If anybody can destroy this culture, only we can destroy by not following our culture. Only we can destroy. Outsiders cannot destroy. So we have to be very careful. Whatever has been taught to us is not for destroying. It is for preserving. And what all these thoughts have been given to us, they are teaching us in a different way. All education system which has come here, they are telling us you have to do this and you have to do that. All our educational institution should go ahead with some Sanatana Parampara. And you must see and hear what has happened to our families now, because we are not following our Sanskriti, not following our Parampara. Our families are becoming outdated. In our houses, we don't have now Achan, we don't have Amma, we have Mummy and Daddy. We have Papa in our houses, we have Auntie in our houses, we have Uncle in our houses. Why this is coming to our families? We must think and rethink again and again. That itself is destroying our culture. All our families सनातन परंपरा जो फॉलो करते हैं, वो सभी को कहना हो कि हमारे घर में अच्छन होगा, हमारे घर में अम्मा होगी, नॉट डैडी, नॉट पप्पा, नो मम्मी, नहीं हो गया. By doing that, we are destroying our culture. That is why I said outsiders cannot destroy our culture, only we can destroy. Now let us try ourselves again. Let us stand again and say, if we have done mistake in our families, let us correct it now, rectify it now from today. हमारे घर में अच्छा नहीं होगा, हमारे घर में अम्मा ही होगी, ऐसा हम सोचेंगे, करना पड़ेगा. और ऐसे बहुत सारे कार्यक्रम हमको करने हैं आने वाले समय में. ऐसे कार्यक्रम करते करते हम बहुत बड़े बनते जाएंगे. हमारी संस्कृति, हमारा विचार, हमारी परंपरा पूरे दुनिया भर को हम दिखाने वाले हैं. We have to cultivate our culture. We have to preserve our culture, and that culture is utmost for me. All our sadhus, all our saints, all our Mahanta, Rishi, Muni, they have taught us. Now let us not go back now. We will be preserving our culture. And as I told you, it is preserving my culture is not against anybody. Preserving my culture is for my benefit. The further आने वाला समय जो है, the next few days, few years are there, where Bharat will be known everywhere over the world as a Vishwa Guru. Bharat can become Vishwa Guru. Bharat can become Vishwa Guru only when we here people of Sanatana Parampara strengthen our Parampara. Only then Bharat can teach anybody else anything. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji has given us a big dream to us of Vikasit Bharat. And that Vikasit Bharat is Vikasit Parampara, Vikasit Sanskriti, Vikasit Sanatana. All that is coming in the Vikasit Bharat. We will be teaching everybody what is Vikasit Bharat. By the year 2047, we are going to become Vikasit Bharat. All this that is related to this. Today's function is related to this. We have seen everywhere how Prabhu Ramchandra is again in Ayodhya, how he has come there, and how here we have seen that Dharma Dhwaja is flying high here. We have that connection from all the way from this country, all the parampara. Let us try to follow this. Let us try to understand this and not follow. We will give to our next generation also, to our kids, to our children in our house. Let us teach them what is Sanatana Parampara. Let us teach them what is our Vedic Parampara. Let us teach them what is our Upanishad. Let us teach them everything. They must be very well versed with this. That is the message that all Pujaniya Swamijis are giving us today. We have come here not just to have flag high. We have come here to take some message to our family, to our society, so that we always will be high. I am very much grateful to all of you, particularly Swamiji, Anandavanam Bharati ji, because he invited me. All of you have invited, and all of you have been listening very quietly, encouraging me also to follow Sanatana Parampara. That is why I am here. I just concluded by saying, Ellavarkum Ashama Sakala. Nandi.
Thank you so much for your